Module 3, Transportation Problems. In this transportation problem, the initial basic feasible solution can be calculated by many methods. In that method, we'll explain three methods one by one in different videos. First method is northwest corner rule or stepping stone method. Northwest corner rule or stepping stone method. For calculation of basic feasible solution. For the calculation of basic feasible solution. In this, in given problem, always we should check demand should be equal to supply. We'll explain in problem. Always in all the problem, if demand is not equal to supply, you cannot solve it by any method, right? Or you cannot test it by optimality MODI method, that is modified distribution method. Now, in northwest corner rule method, starting with cell at the upper left corner, starting with the cell upper left corner of the transportation matrix, we allocate as much as possible so that either the capacity of the first row or with the column which is least, which will be allocated for particular northwest corner. In the same way, if it satisfies, then we'll go for next northwest corner. Like that, one by one northwest corner will be applied to calculate cost of the matrix. Now we'll explain this problem with the help of that procedure. Now this is the transportation problem. In this transportation problem, what they are given: origin, destination and supply. This is called as demand and this is called as supply. This is called as demand, this is called as supply. The demand supply means transportation will takes place in very least cost. In very least cost, the material should be transferred from one place to the another place. Material will be transferred from one place to the another place with least cost. Because of that, before transportation, these analytical solution will be done so that how the transportation will be done from one place to the another place. Now, the demand will be given one side and supply will be given on other side. So, 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 14. How much it is? 18, 22, 29 and 34. So, demand is equal to 34. Whether supply is equal to 34 or not, we have to check. 7, 9, 18. 21, 27 plus 7, 34. So, demand is equal to supply. Now, we can apply northwest corner rule or stepping stone method. Now, northwest is nothing but first column and first row. This is called as northwest. Northwest. Right. Now, first column, first row. For these two, check the demand and check the supply. For first column, first row, check this demand and this supply. 5 is the demand, 7 is the supply. In these two, after comparison, which is least? 5 and 7, in these two, 5 is least. This 5 is allocated for the 19. Right. First row, first column, 19 is the northwest element. For this element, 5 and 7 and 5 are compared. That is, demand and supply are compared. 5 is the least that will be allocated for this 19 element. Then, after allocating to this first column, this complete column is satisfied, and here 7 minus this 5 left out with 2, still it is not satisfied. 7 minus this 5, 2 means here also 5 satisfied, here also 5 completely satisfied, but for first row 2 is left out. just scratch or minus 5 is equal to 2. Now once again go for northwest corner rule. Next, this complete column is eliminated. Second column and first row, still 2 is there. Because of that, second column, first row is compared. Here 8 is there and here 2 is there. Compared to these two, this 2 is allocated for 30. This 2 is allocated for 30 and 8 minus 2 will remain 6. So whether we have in second, right? In this second table, 2 is allocated here, right? First column has eliminated here. 2 is allocated here and 8 minus 2 is 6. Here 2. Next, after completion of second allocation, this complete row has been satisfied. Now remove this row, only compare this column, this row. This column, this row. Here it is 6 is there, already 2 has been satisfied. Here it is 6 is there and 9 is there. By comparing 6 and 9, 6 will be allocated for 30. For comparing 6 and 9, 6 is allocated for 30 and 9 minus 6 will get 3. Right. Next, this complete column has been satisfied. Then go for only these two and these two. Right. Here 3 is left out and 7 is there. Compared to these 3 and 7, 3 is least, 3 is allocated for 40. This complete row is eliminated and left out with 7 minus 3, 4. Next remaining 4 is allocated for 70, 14 is allocated for 20. So after this final table you can write. So whatever allocation we had, that we have to write. Right. Now in this table, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 4 plus 14 is equal to 18. 5, 5. 2 plus 6, 8. 3 plus 4, 7. 14 plus, 14 is there, 14. So that after allocation, the allocation by row wise, the allocations by column wise should satisfy the demand and supply. Once again, allocation is 5 here, allocation is 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. For this row, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Only allocations. Next here, 4 plus 14 is equal to 18. So that allocation should be equal to supply for the row. For demand, 5 is equal to 5. First column. Second column, 2 plus 6 equal to 8. Second column. Third column, 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. For fourth column, 14 is equal to 14. So that for column wise, all the allocations should be equal to its demand. Then only it satisfies condition. Now, how to calculate cost? 19 into 5 plus 30 into 2 plus 30 into 6 plus 40 into 3 plus 70 into 4 plus 20 into 14. Right. 19 into 5, 30 into 2, 30 into 6 plus 40 into 3 plus 70 into 4 plus 20 into 14. That is equal to 1015 is the answer by northwest corner rule. Only we have calculated least cost by using northwest corner rule. Now we'll have second problem. Just simply I will explain this. Just go through this. Here 7 is there, 5 is there. First row, first column. First column, first row, 7 is there, 5 is there. 5 is least. 5 is allocated here. 7 minus 5 is 2 left out. This complete row is eliminated. Now go for this and this. Here 2 is least compared to 8. 2 is allocated here. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Next, this complete column has been eliminated. Then go for this and this. Right. 9 is there and 6 is there. 6 is least. 6 is allocated for this. 9 minus 6 equal to 3. This O2 is completely eliminated. Then go for these two. Here it is 7 is there and 3 is there. 3 is allocated for 4. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So that this complete column is eliminated. Now 14 and 4. 18 is there. 4 is allocated for 7. 14 is allocated for 2. So get total 18. So cost is calculated by 2 into 5, 3 into 2 plus 3 into 6 plus 4 into 3 plus 7 into 4 plus 2 into 14. Total will get 102. Please practice this problem. Already I have solved and I have written the answer. Just go through this problem and solve. One more problem I have given. This also have to solve it by northwest corner rule. Thank you.